let's see, I got the radials on. I found out the turbo took a crap on me. Kind of updated you on that in my last couple of videos. But I guess what I could do now while I'm waiting to get a new turbo is I'm gonna break into the new engine, let it run, heat up to operating temp. I guess I could even drive it around without the turbo being hooked up. So yeah, I'm just gonna let it run, get it hot, you know, I guess see if there's any coolant leaks, things like that. I guess I do need to break the clutch in and just get things moving. Yeah, cold start. Drive it around and see if I run into any issues or bugs that I can take care of before I actually get the turbo on there. Alright, I let it warm up for a while and I noticed a very small coolant leak right here. It might just be from corrosion on the housing here, so I'm going to take the hose off and clean it up. Could kind of see the green juice down there. Alright, I'm going to see if just pushing that hose up a little bit is going to help. I think it just wasn't seated exactly where it needed to be. I'm going to go ahead and attempt to drive it like around the block to see if these radials rub at full lock. Because I just put them on, I haven't driven it, the car has been parked there for a really long time. So I'm just going to try and go around the block and see how it does, if it rubs, and see if I need to maybe trim the bumper or see what I got to do. Okay, so what I've noticed is it does rub like at full 100% lock. The tires will rub like at 95% turned. It's fine, it doesn't touch. So I think I'm cool with that. It's just that you can't go all the way or else it touches something under there. Maybe I can see what it's contacting and maybe I can do something about it. Okay, so when I would turn, the fender would rub right here, this fine little line, kind of scratch the tire, but it's actually, where's it at? Yeah, it's that line right there. Very small scratch, and I found out there was this little piece of the fender that was poking out, and basically while I was slightly turned and hitting like a bump, it would actually scratch, like carve into the tire. So I think what I'm going to do is just try and bend it out just a little bit, because all I need is just a little more room. I'm going to try and curl that lip up and also try and pull the fender out just a little bit so it stops rubbing the tire. The other side doesn't do it, only this side. So something else I noticed is the clutch chatters like freaking crazy. I don't know what the deal is. It was the XTD Stage 5 4-puck. It is sprung. I thought maybe that would help, but it chatters really, really bad. I don't know if it just needs to be broken in or what. I'm gonna drive it a little bit, put some miles on it and see if it goes away or helps. But basically I have to like rev it up to get going. If I try and do like a lower PM takeoff, it just chatters insanely bad. Yeah, I don't know if I can live with that. I might have to try a different clutch. And I've been kind of fine-tuning the startups, like the cold start and the warm start. I had to take away some fuel. I guess I hadn't really gotten that right before, but it seems to be firing up better now. Yeah, it's a lot better. Before it was kind of a struggle. So I'm gonna drive a little bit, see if that chatter gets any better. I'm gonna go ahead and reset the miles to see like how far I've driven it on this little break-in period. So I guess that just about wraps up this video. I might have put about 40-50 miles on the car. I got the tires fitting a little bit better. Hopefully this weekend I can take the car to my buddy Stevie's shop so he can start fabricating the ram horn manifold, and maybe fab up a hood exit exhaust, do something about the wastegate dump tube and stuff like that. But yeah, if you liked the episode, please like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.